Oops. Copy first. 10 plus 30. 10 plus. Oops. You need to ask 30 divided by 2 first. Okay, go. Ang utana ira. 15. 30 divided by 2 is 15. Copy. Times 3 equals 75. Go. Okay. 15 times 3. Pangunta na. Mira. 45. Okay, 45. What's them? What number is that? 10? 10 plus 45. 55. Okay. So 55 equals 75 man. So what is that? Minus. It means false. Okay. Diri man nira equal kay ano sa 55, ano sa 75 equals 75. So ano man niya? Okay. So that is minus. False. 1, 2,